Right here is a Volvo A25D. It's a 25-ton class articulated ton truck. This truck has a tailgate, which is great, and I don't get to see too many of these Volvos, so I took the opportunity to do the walk around. Anyway, the tailgate, which is right here, you see, it's different. Now what the tailgate is great for is when you're running on unlevel ground or a hill, which they don't really have to worry about it here, but I guess they have it for when they do. Now, this right here is what will keep the tailgate level. When the dump bed goes to raise, this pendant line right here will tension and it'll keep it level. So that will stay level. The dump bed right here will raise and it'll empty out all the dirt. This right here is your lock when you're working on it in there, so it's basically a safety for the machine so it doesn't fall on the service guy. Towing hooks, and this is where it connects right onto the superstructure of the machine. 3-axle, 6-wheel drive truck, all-axle drive the truck. Differentials, I think I explained differentials enough. There's a high bore, low pressure cylinder in there. You can see the drive shaft in there. Now the metal you see there is a damper. That's basically just so when the dump body does it doesn't slam against the metal. Over here is your lift cylinder for the bed. Raises 25 tons, obviously. The tires. Over here, that pin down there, you can see the tailgate attachment comes out. It's an attachment. But that pin enables this tire to, both of them, to tilt back and forth so they rock. They're basically on a rocker beam, if anyone knows engineering. Here's what holds on this axle right here. And you can see it's on a ball joint, so it's able to flex, which really is great. Drive shaft right there. It enables it to turn like that and turn like that, which is great for the stability of the truck. Cylinder, like I said on another walk around Cat 740, on the end of the silver part there's a round plate. Fluid pushes against it, push it out, and it'll pull against there. That's what these lines do. They're both in and out, so when you want to retract and extract the cylinder. Mud flap here. Here is what the truck rests on, what separates the cab part from the bed part. You can see here 6x6, 6-wheel drive. This piece right here will enable it to turn, and in there, inside the seal, you can see the seals, it's broken off, enables it to twist. Get a good idea of what they're digging on over here. This is your exhaust. Hoses to power the cylinders. And you can see right here on the VIN plate, 2004. Up here's the cab. And interesting about this, they have their cylinders high than low, which I guess is great if stuff starts to kick up. And your exhaust, cab guard, and lifting points for the bed. I'll take it to the other side now to take a look at it. And here's the other side of the truck. Hydraulic reservoir, motor, tank for the diesel is all in here. Hydraulic reservoir is a hydraulic tank. Air filter, and in the cab there's a steering wheel and 2 levers to power the dump bed. So there you go. There's a Volvo A25D with a tailgate.